All right, the court is calling cause number 2020 DCM 2835. This is a hearing on a petition filed by the Attorney General's Office, a petition to establish parent-child relationship. There appears to be one minor child before the court. Parties in this case are Roberto Sainz and Mireya Lopez. Let the record reflect that this matter was scheduled for a final hearing today, February 25th, 2021, at 8 o'clock, and set for a Zoom hearing at 9 o'clock. At this time, the case is being called. Mr. Roberto Sainz is not present, has not made an appearance in this case, and has not filed a response to the petition. The return on file indicates that he was served with citation back on August the 21st of this past year, 2020. No response has been filed. At the time that this case is being called, he is not present. Only Ms. Maria Lopez is present before me on this Zoom application. My name is Antonio Rodriguez. I am the Associate Judge for the Title 40 Court here in El Paso, Texas. And we are proceeding on this Zoom application since we cannot appear in court due to the current pandemic crisis. However, the Supreme Court of the State of Texas, the Council of Judges here in El Paso, and the Office of Court Administration have permitted us to conduct hearings, and we're doing so in the Zoom application. Further, this matter is being live streamed on the YouTube channel, and that is to comply with the Texas rules that we have to keep our courts open to the public. However, as soon as this hearing is finished, I'll go ahead and terminate the live stream, and that live stream will be taken off the YouTube channel. The recording of this matter is being kept by the computer-generated system. That is the official record of the proceedings and record of this matter here today. No party is permitted to do any recording, take snapshots, or anything of the proceedings here today. I'll ask parties to conduct themselves accordingly as if they were in court. In fact, you are in court, you are before me. And I'll ask parties to conduct themselves accordingly. Also, I'll ask parties not to talk over each other. Sometimes the audio portion, since we're doing with computers, sometimes the audio portion may not pick up the testimony of the parties in this case. So just conduct yourselves, don't talk over each other, only one person talking at the same time. All right, those are the general rules that apply in every case, so it's not unique to your case. Those are the general rules. Now that I've explained the general rules, I'll ask the Attorney General to make an announcement on this case. Ms. Morris?
As Brooklyn Morris here for the state of Texas, ready to proceed, Judge. But before proceeding, the state would like to request that we, if we could proceed with questioning to prove up indefinite support, as that was discovered to be in play in this particular case, and it is within the scope of the pleadings. And so we asked if we could proceed on that.
Okay, let me look up at the pleading that was filed in this case. All right. Odyssey's running a little bit slow today.
Yes, Judge, bring your attention to the language of the pleading as you're pulling it up, that the pleadings do request for appropriate support, specifically in paragraph 10.
Well, paragraph 10 is a general support pleading. It does not specifically say that parties are seeking indefinite support due to any handicap, physically or mental, otherwise. And it does not seek does not specifically state that y'all going to seek indefinite support for this child.
That is true, Judge, but we want to hang our hats on the word appropriate and get in the right size order today, as it was
Um,
just.
I don't think the pleadings support that allegation.
Okay. Well, Judge, then if not, then we'll have to ask to reset to amend the pleading to include the indefinite support language.
I think this is a default, and he was not apprised of the request for indefinite support. I think that's the only thing we can do at this point is to um, give you all time to file an amended petition, serve Mr. Sines. Since this is a no fault, no answer or default, they have to be served with citation and the appropriate response time. So I think amendment, if you all want to do an amendment, that's fine. You just have to serve and give notice to Mr. Sines about the indefinite support request.
Okay.
And I had mentioned earlier that it might have been an off the docket, off the record discussion that we had. If I needed to reset this matter, we're looking at some time, either end of May, which would be about the 27th of May. Let me just confirm. I think we have May 27th at 8 o'clock. Should give you all enough time to file an amended and get Mr. Sines served. So May 27th,
Okay.
8 o'clock, an amended petition. Okay. And Ms. Lopez, we'll probably do this hearing again through Zoom because I don't think we're going to be back in court um, at least until maybe, and I'm being very optimistic, till the end of the summer. So we'll probably do this again by Zoom application. So you'll be notified by the AG's office with the appropriate Zoom ID number so you can log in at that time. Okay. All right. All right. Anything else, Ms. Morris, on this matter?
1 second, Judge. 1 second. Just trying to confirm. Oh, okay. Nothing further, Judge.
Okay. All right. All right then, Ms. Lopez, thank you for your appearance today. And you need to discuss, I mean, we've already discussed the matter with the AG's office. They'll have to amend the petition and we'll see you all back here on that date, May 27th, ma'am. Okay,
Thank you.
Okay.
thank you, ma'am. You